Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Salesforce automations with Flow, complete guide step by step clearly. To configure Salesforce automations with Flow, start by logging into your Salesforce account. Navigate to the setup menu by clicking the gear icon in the top right corner. In the quick find box, type flows and select it from the options. Click on the new flow button to begin creating a new automation. Choose the type of flow you want to create. You can select a screen flow for user input or a record-triggered flow for back-end processes. After making your selection, click Next to proceed. If you chose a record-triggered flow, configure the trigger criteria. Select the object that will initiate the flow, such as account or opportunity. Define when the flow should be triggered, either on Create, Update, or Delete. Once configured, click Done to save your trigger criteria. If you're using a screen flow, add the necessary input components. Utilize elements like text, number, or date fields as required for your process. Drag and drop these components onto the flow canvas to design your interface. After setting up all input fields, click on the Done button. Next, add logic to your flow by dragging in elements like decision or assignment. Decision elements help create branches based on user input or record values. Assignment elements allow you to update variable values or set output parameters. Once your logic is in place, connect the elements with lines to ensure the flow sequence is clear. To test your flow, click on the Debug button at the top right corner of the Builder interface. Follow the prompts to simulate the flow and check for errors. Make any necessary adjustments based on the results of your test. When you're satisfied with the flow, click on the Save button. Enter a name and description for the flow for better identification. Finally, click on Activate to enable the flow for use within your Salesforce environment. Congratulations! You've successfully configured Salesforce automations using Flow. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.